hair thing.
But there's more. There's more. What is that?
What is it?
What is that? What is it?
Get it?
You gonna get it?
Say, help
Get
me
it,
rip
baby,
it, Daddy.
get it.
Help me rip the first one, maybe I'll learn.
Looking in there, look.
She said, what's in there? Hello, kitty.
Cody,
Look at that.
get out of the way.
That's not for you? Is that for you, baby? Aww. Is that Hello Kitty? Oh, it's cute. It's cute. Look at that.
She said,
Come on.
oh,
Is there
look.
another one? She's like, well, I don't want to leave that. Don't leave that one away. You want to do this one too?
Another one?
Do this one too?
Look, okay.
What is this? What is this?
I'm showing the presents too, so.
What you got? Yeah. She's looking at everybody like, what's going on?
Michaela. Michaela.
Hey,
Michaela.
Michaela. Michaela. What are you doing?
We're trying to get her 3 years for space. But
Yeah, baby.
Michaela.
Get it with your feet. You gonna get it with your feet?
hey.
Rodney's just thinking, please be a Batman. Or Captain America.
That would be cool. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, Mama, you need to get in some of these pictures. Get over there and help her unwrap it too.
She can do the next one.
Oh, yeah. You do the next one.
Rip
Rip it fast, Daddy. You gotta do it fast.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. This one. And push her tummy. Her laugh will tickle you to death.
She laughing at you. Press it.
That would take it out of the box now.
Hey, Rodney, turn it this way.
Show it to, turn it around so they can see it.
That. Wasn't that a giggling baby?
The big one.
Sounds like you, baby.
The big one. This.
Take some. Oh, Henry wants to do this one. She
Oh.
does this one. She won't ever do the rest of them. We got to let her do it.
Oh, look, she's got the baby.
Yeah.
She wanted to take the baby from the
Yeah, she
box.
Yeah.